Good morning. This is what it sounds like at 6 a.m. under a tree in Tennessee on a farm. A farm with lots of flowers and trees and bees that I'm studying. Birds, it's a guinea fowl feather. Birds and bees and flowers and trees and you and me, we are all parts of the one, Gaia, a living, breathing organism, this earth. We are all inextricably linked. Cells, organs, appendages of the same body, Gaia. What I do impacts you. What you do impacts me and the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees and the water that we drink and the food that we eat. So let's not shit where we eat. Let's stop doing that. As within, so without. How I treat my own body, how humanity treats itself, how humanity treats the earth will be reflected on every level. If the earth is sick, we are sick. If we are sick, the earth is sick. As within, so without. What happens in the human body when the immune system gets confused and begins to misidentify healthy cells for foreign invaders? It attacks the healthy cells. It attacks the body. The body begins to attack itself. That's what an autoimmune disease is. Humanity as a collective has something tantamount to an autoimmune disease. We are attacking ourselves. We are attacking the very planet that we are a part of and live upon. And so we are destroying ourselves, thinking that we are attacking something outside of ourselves, something that is a threat to us. We have become the threat to ourselves. We are confused. We are scared. We are reactive. We are sleepwalking, unconscious, amnesic. We need to wake up. We need to remember who and what we are, which is ultimately life, eternal. We are life, and we need to act in service of it. How do we course correct? How do we create a healthy world? Well, we do that by creating a healthy self. This is where my power lies, within me. It does me no good to focus on the outside and blame others. My power lies in here. That's where it's most concentrated. If I want to live in a healthy world, I gotta live in a healthy body. That's where it starts. If I do my best to create the immediate circumstances that will be supportive of and conducive to my health and wellness and well-being, that will bleed out. It will spread. Just like a virus can spread, love can and does spread. Awareness can and does spread. Ignorance can spread, and it has and it does, through lies, through misunderstandings, through unconsciousness. Love can spread through awareness, attention, concentration, intention. What do you intend? What do you want? That is ultimately the world that we will create and live in, is the world that we intend or fail to intend. If we fail to have intention, then we will create a world of mishap and chaos and delusion. A world full of accidents. I want to live on purpose. I want to know that I am acting in ways which are supportive of health and wellness and wholeness and love. I want to be love. I am actually love. I am love, and so are you. We were created by love, in love, for love. We've just forgotten that. And this is why we suffer. So, if we want to suffer less, that's just a matter of waking up, rousing ourselves, holding ourselves accountable. If we want it, we can have it. If we want happiness, if we want wellness, it's ours for the taking. But it is a matter of owning responsibility. Freedom, health, wellness is a function of responsibility. And no one can do that for you. You can allow someone to take those things from you if you decide to be passive and sit back and do nothing. It can be taken from you. But life is active, life is moving, life is flowing. So, let's all decide to participate intentionally, on purpose. Let's build a world together that is beautiful. And really, it's not even about building, it's about allowing, because God already built it. We just need to get out of the way.